Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Screencastify's interactive questions. So we're going to go into the extension and then we're going to go ahead into recordings. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and select that specific recording that you have, which is about a keyboard Chromebook language. So in this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here on the right-hand side, select interactive questions, give a little bit of time to load. What you can do is you can go ahead and press play so you can listen to your actual recording. In this example, though, it's going to be around here that I know I want to add the specific question. Actually, it's around right in here where it's going to talk about where can you find out exactly the language that the keyboard is using. So it's in the bottom right, so I'm just going to put that in here. You have to have at least two possible answers. And let's just say upper right. So let's go ahead and do that. And you have to select the correct answer. Let's go ahead and press save. So the question has been created. Now, you could, of course, continue on. Go ahead and press play. Add a question where you see fit. I'm going to pause it for right now because what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and show you what it looks like to share it out. So you can share it right in here at the very top. You can copy the watch page link. Please know that other users do have to have a Google account to do this. You could share it directly to Classroom as well, and then you'll look for the responses right here. So I'll show you what it looks like from a student point of view. Okay, so I'm pasting the link in. It loads up. If for some reason it doesn't, they just need to log in with their Google account. They have to go ahead and press play. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll unmute.
You or your students are typing on a Chromebook, and all of a sudden it comes up in a different language. So this is just supposed to say hello. And it does not. If you look in the bottom right, a quick way to check, you can see.
Okay, so we're going to know it's going to be in the bottom right. You can see right here is where the question's asked. So you might want to move that a little bit closer if you wanted to.
That's not what you want. A quick solution is to hold down Control and the space bar and then take a...
And there's the question. So we're going to select bottom right, hit submit, continue on, and your students would watch the rest of the video. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go back in as the teacher, and you can see right in here the responses. Here it is, 1 out of 100%. You can see that I got it right. Now, if you'd like to go ahead back to the questions, you could certainly do that. On the right-hand side, there is a list view as well, where if you do make a mistake or you'd like to change something, you can certainly go in and edit and take care of that. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care.